Hello good day friends, welcome to this video. I'm here to talk about the BECEXY code that is being posted on their YouTube channel on a daily basis. It's quite unfortunate. Most people have not been able to use this code effectively and get their qualification done as touching the forthcoming CEP token airdrop. Now in this video, I'm going to be giving you a detailed guide on what you need to know and what you need to do so that once they post that video, you can actually effectively use it and do your pre-qualification for the airdrop. Now as you can see rightly displayed on your screen, here is someone that has been able to do the verification correctly. I myself are actually logging on that YouTube video when it was posted 14 seconds. You heard me, 14 seconds, and at the end of the day I tried it. They told me that it has been depleted. I don't know if you had the experience. Please indicate in the comment section if you actually had the experience and you actually watched the video as early as when they posted it. Well, this person on my YouTube channel, on my Telegram channel, was able to do his own articulately and got it done. So aside that, I'm going to be giving you guys a detailed reason why these guys are following this route and why it seems as if, do you know what these guys are doing? Aside from the fact that they are using this BECEXY portal, what they are trying to do is to create what is called FOMO. And what is FOMO in cryptocurrency? FOMO simply means the fear of missing out. If you understand very well, you observe that the CEXIO airdrop itself and the community had reduced so much, right? And when they started this pre-qualification, the end of it all is not just for people to qualify, is to ignite back and revive the lost community. Yes, permit me to use the word lost community, because after people have actually waited and did the tap to earn for a long time, and these guys are actually delaying. Remember, they are an exchange. So I want to ask you a question. Are you bullish on CEP token? Do you believe that they are going to list on a good price, or do you feel like at the end of the day what these guys are going to do is that they are just going to list on a very poor price after the hype and whatsoever? So that aside, make sure you find your way down to my Telegram channel so you can also stay connected to different information, because I actually have a strong community. The link to my Telegram channel is in the pinned comments of this video, it's in the description box. So make sure you join, because it was someone that actually dropped it on my Telegram channel, and I'm here to give you guys this information for everybody so that you can actually use it as early as possible that you see this video. So make sure you share this video. The link to my Telegram channel is in the pinned comments and in the description box. My Telegram channel will participate in different form of stuff, different form of airdrop, and also will do trading. You can see for this we are earning different form of amounts. You can see what we're earning here. For trading, we earn approximately around $2,000 in a month. That is what 3 million naira. That's if you are watching in Nigeria. You can see there are different stuff we do here. You can see the trading I'm talking about right here. You can see this around 3 million. So quickly let me show you guys what you need to do based on the information that I got from the person that actually did his own. Please make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. And if you use this and it worked for you, because it's going to work, please make sure you come back here to say thank you. So I asked the person, okay, what did you do? He said this when he saw the post. So let me just go back to the BECEXY portal, right? You know, first of all, they dropped this B, right? So when they dropped it, it was a notification that they were about to drop a video, right? So he was just giving me detail. So the next thing he did was that they dropped this around 12:35. So 12:35 it is 12:35 West African time would be 11:35 UTC. So what he did here was that he said he quickly logged in to his CEXIO app. You understand? So by logging in, what it means is that you are actually ready. So that, okay, this is it now. Once you see this notification, please pay attention right on this face now. Once, just make sure you turn on their notification on this BECEXY portal official channel. Once it is turned on, right, and you get a notification before that, and I've observed that most times they post this code when it's almost like towards noon, yeah, like that is midday. So once you observe this, before they drop this post, this is what you are going to do. You log into your CEXIO app, right, and then you come here down to airdrop. Make sure all these things are ticked green. Make sure it is ticked green. For me, I don't know why this is not ticked green, because I'm actually subscribed to my YouTube channel. So after everything is ticked green, right, he said what he did was that he was logged in a minute before the video was officially posted, and then he came here and he clicked this, I accept the terms and condition and confirm. So after clicking this, he said when the code was posted, everything was actually ticked here, and then after he ticked this, make sure that you are logged in. So the secret here is that you are logged in on your platform before it is posted. You get it? So, and you make sure you come here and click on this, you accept. So once you see the code, all you just need to do is to just go to their YouTube channel, watch the video, then you just cram the code. It's just around a 5-digit number, then you paste it. Again, make sure everything is ticked green. And if you don't know how to get your Telegram ID, connect your Wigma wallet I will attach a video to this so you can go watch it and know how it is done. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, comment and subscribe.